and welcome to Armed for Creations. My name is Ashley and today I'm going to show you how to edit this bridesmaid proposal card from my Etsy shop. So all the text on this proposal card can be edited. So if you want to change the font, the size, or the color, it's all available in this software. So here I'm showing you how to change your bridesmaid's name by double-clicking the text and changing the name. And since all of the text is editable, you can change the words bridesmaids to matron honor or flower girl or any title of choice. So when you're happy with your proposal card, you'll just need to save it by going to the top left and selecting File, then click Save. And then to print, you will go to your top right and select Download, and you'll be given 3 choices to save in PDF format, JPEG, or PNG. Also, it will give you an option to save paper by printing multiple cards on one page. So thank you so much for your purchase, and I hope you enjoy your cards.